Hi, this is Mike Barr from the Dental Warrior, bringing you another unrehearsed video off the cuff. I'm reviewing the Ultradent Valo curing light. I recently wrote a blog article about this curing light. About a year ago it was time for me to move on from my halogen light, and I was tired of dealing with all the bulbs and decided to go with LED. Now they have LED lights that will cure any kind of composites. The early generations of LED lights were limited in what kind of composites they could cure. I went to Ultradent out in Utah for a little conference there with a bunch of Dental Town friends, and they showed us this curing light, and I decided to give it a try. I've had it for about a year now, and I'm very happy with it. It's worked out very well, and I haven't had any issues with it. But I just wanted to show a quick video on what it looks like and how it operates. This is it right here. It's basically built out of a solid piece of aluminum. It's virtually indestructible. In fact, in setting up for this video, I dropped it on the floor, and it's still working just fine. It has three modes of curing, three intensities that you can set it. It's very simple functions, two buttons here. This top button here, let's see if hopefully I'll aim this right in the camera. Top button here turns it on and off, and the bottom button here changes the modes. So we have three modes. The first one is standard, and you change the modes by pressing and holding this bottom button. Press and hold, it will change mode. When all the lights light up solid like this, that is the standard curing mode, which is 1,000 milliwatts per square centimeter. And you can change the time intervals on this. These four LED lights here in the back indicate, you just press the bottom button here one time, and right now I'm set at 5 seconds. And it goes 5, 10, 15, 20. 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. And that is in the standard curing mode at 1,000 milliwatts per square centimeter. If I press and hold this button in, it switches to the high mode. High mode is indicated by these four lights flashing. And now I can also set the time on the curing times in the high mode, which is 1,400 milliwatts per square centimeter. And it goes in increments of 1, 2, 3, or 4 seconds. Maximum of 4 seconds, minimum of 1 second. So if I click this button once, it's set at 1 second. In fact, I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. I'll hit the on-off switch, and you'll see it came on for just 1 second. I can set it for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or 4 seconds. The next mode is the plasma emulation mode, 3,200 milliwatts per square centimeter. Very bright. I don't know that there are a lot of uses for it, but some people like it. Some people claim that you can cure a composite too fast also, but this might come in handy for certain things, and I'll let you be the judge of that. We'll set that mode by again holding this bottom button in until I hear it beep. Now the plasma emulation mode is indicated by flashing lights here, and also this orange light is flashing. So all the lights are flashing together, and that means that it is in plasma emulation mode. Now this mode only has one time setting, which is 3 seconds. And so when you hit the button on, it goes for 3 seconds, and then it turns off. And that's it. And it has like a cool down period for a couple of seconds before you can start it up again. If you do that multiple times, I've noticed that the end of this will get hot. Let's give that a try. I'll sacrifice myself for the better of the dental profession. And it's getting warm. It's warm. It's not going to burn me, but I can feel it. If I did it multiple times, I would probably start to feel it burn. What else can I tell you about this? Again, it's very, very robustly built. You can be sure that you're not going to cause any problems if it gets dropped or banged around a bit. The cord has Kevlar in it, so even the cord is very, very strong. I'm giving that a pretty good yank. It comes with quite a long cord. I've got it plugged in the wall behind me here. But there's the standard plug comes with plenty of length. In fact, too much. I've got it cinched up with a rubber band or a zip tie to keep the excess from getting tangled up on the floor. But it's very lightweight and it's very well balanced. The cord is really not an issue. We deal with cords all the time with our handpieces. Our handpieces aren't cordless, and so I don't see that as a big deal. I know the trend is to go with the cordless lights, and there's arguments for that, but I think there are more arguments against it by and large. One, the batteries are heavy. Those cordless lights weigh anywhere from 1 pound to 1.5 pounds from what I've seen. You have to recharge the batteries, of course, keep them charged, and eventually rechargeable batteries have to be replaced. That will never be an issue with the Valo. I've been very happy with it. It's worked well in my hands. I cure a lot of things with it every day, and I think you'll be happy with it too. The cost is about $1,200, so it's not cheap, but again, I think this thing will last a long time. If you want to try it out and just buy one, you can get extra AC adapters or AC cords for it, and just go from room to room with it if you want. I find that eventually you get tired of moving things from room to room, so you'll eventually probably get one for each room. But you can start with one, see how you like it. I don't think you can really get a better light than this. That's my opinion. Mike Barr from the Dental Warrior. Have a great day.